how fast and how much of the LFO is actually applied. So pretty much just drag this to here, the amp, and pretty much pull it all the way up. Your amp should be at 0 here, and just pull it all the way up, okay, for LFO 7. And finally, do you want to detune? Is my last macro here. And pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to route this to the pitch cutoff, which is another fancy word for detuning. So you'd route it here. You want your value of 50. You want to put this all the way to the left, and then you want to get your 5, click on it, and pull it up to halfway. So when you put this up, you're going to get more detuning. So that's all it does. So if we have done everything right, then we should be getting that sound that you have been seeking. Okay, so let me push Control 1. Okay, so now you want to put an audio filter here, and you want to slowly bring that in. So as you can see, the LFO here, the filter goes from, and you pretty much bring this in slowly. Now I apply EQ 8, and I just did a notch here because that's where my kick drum is at its present. In one of my previous tutorials, I showed why I do that and how to mix a bass. So I suggest you guys check that out if you don't know why I'm doing this here. And finally, I added a compressor, which I routed to the kick, threshold down. Pretty much all the compressor the side tuning is doing is making the kick, the bass just duck, and another word for duck is just lower in volume when the kick is hitting. So you can kind of hear that pumping effect without the compressor, with it. So it's giving that effect. So pretty much that's it. Pretty much that's the tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. If for some reason you didn't get the sound, I always put my presets up on my Facebook page. If you just want to get the preset, go for it. And hopefully you guys learned a few things. A lot of things that I like to do in order to learn this kind of stuff on what I need to do to achieve a sound is I like to reverse engineer stuff. So pretty much, let's say you want to create this again. Pretty much look at this, study it, and see why the wavetable positions give that effect when you apply LFOs to them. And as the more and more you try to recreate these sounds, the more you'll get better at it, and the more you'll be able to hear a sound and be like, okay, I know how to make it. So that's my best tip for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment for the next week's sound design tutorial, and I hope you guys can use this in one of your tracks. This has been Sense World, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you learned something, and I'll see you guys next time.